Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best crazy cart battery is probably one of the most essential components for keeping the fun rolling. Over time, batteries degrade, leading to shorter ride times and less enjoyment. In this video, we'll dive into the world of crazy cart replacement batteries, exploring what to look for, comparing different options, and helping you choose the perfect battery to keep your ride-on toy or cart performing at its best. Let's get started. Number 5. Beiter DC Power 12V5AH Electric Scooter Battery, 2-pack. This is a high-performance, rechargeable battery pack. It's designed for electric scooters and provides reliable power for your rides. The battery features a valve-regulated, spill-proof design. This allows for safe operation in any orientation, giving you peace of mind. Built with rugged construction, this battery is made to withstand shocks and vibrations. It's a durable power source for your scooter. This battery is compatible with Razor E100, E125, E150, and Crazy Cart models. It's a great replacement or upgrade for your scooter. This battery is from the Power King Synergy brand. It's a reliable choice for powering your electric scooter and ensuring a smooth ride. What we like. This battery's valve-regulated, spill-proof design ensures safe operation in any orientation. Its rugged construction means it can handle bumps and vibrations. If you're looking for a reliable battery that can withstand the rigors of riding, this is a great choice. What people say. Batteries are holding out well and doing a great job. I'm glad they came with a quick connect male, so all we had to do was cut the wire from the batteries, put a female quick connect to it using wire crimpers to hold it in place. After that, you just connect the male and the female, which was really easy. These batteries charge overnight when fully drained and easily run for more than a full hour. If they're only partially drained, then they charge up in a couple of hours. Number 4. Beiter DC Power Battery for Razor Crazy Cart. This is a genuine Beiter DC power battery, one of the most trusted on Amazon. It is designed to provide reliable power for your Razor Crazy Cart, ensuring hours of fun. You can return it within the Amazon return policy guidelines. Contact the seller directly for return information if you need to. These batteries are maintenance-free and valve-regulated, offering ease of mind. You don't have to worry about any special upkeep. The high-impact resistant battery case is made of non-conductive ABS plastic. This material is resistant to shock, vibration, chemicals, and heat. The batteries feature a spill-proof design with a fine fiberglass mat. This allows for safe operation in any orientation. What we like. This battery is completely maintenance-free, saving you time and hassle. The high-impact resistant case is made of non-conductive ABS plastic, which is resistant to shock, vibration, chemicals, and heat. If you value ease of use and durability, you should consider this one. What people say. Works perfectly for the crazy cart. I did notice that they charge extremely fast. So a huge thumbs up for that. So far so good. It's been a few weeks since my purchase, no problems, it charges great. Work great in my grandkids' 3 crazy carts. Got them back up and running again. Number 3. Mighty Max Battery 12V5AH SLA for Razor Crazy Cart. This is a set of two 12V5AH SLA batteries. They are designed for the Razor Drift Crazy Cart. This pack ensures you have a reliable power source. These batteries are UL certified, ensuring safety and quality. They are also maintenance-free, saving you time and effort. With dimensions of 3.58 inches x 2.76 inches x 4.21 inches, it's designed to fit perfectly. The F1 terminal ensures easy connection. This SLA AGM battery is spill-proof and can withstand various conditions. It offers a high discharge rate and a long service life. You can mount it in any position, and it resists shocks and vibrations. It provides long-lasting, high performance in both high and low temperatures. This product comes with a full 1-year warranty. This gives you peace of mind knowing that it is protected. What we like. This battery is UL certified, ensuring quality and safety. It boasts a long service life and can operate in a wide range of temperatures. If you need a battery that performs consistently in various conditions, this is the one for you. What people say. Bought these to replace the batteries in our Razor Crazy Cart and they were perfect. Works good as new now. I installed this battery in my son's Crazy Cart made by Razor and it works great. Number 2. Razor Crazy Cart Replacement Battery. This is a replacement battery for the Razor Crazy Cart. It is designed to provide reliable power for your cart, ensuring hours of fun. This battery is a great choice to keep the fun rolling. This battery is a genuine Beiter DC power product. It's one of the most trusted and highly rated sealed lead-acid batteries available. You can trust it to deliver consistent performance. This battery is a 20-hour sealed lead-acid type. This means it's designed for long-lasting use and is built to handle the demands of the Crazy Cart. It's a reliable power source. This battery is maintenance-free and valve-regulated. This design ensures safe and trouble-free operation in any orientation. You don't have to worry about upkeep. The high-impact resistant battery case is made of non-conductive ABS plastic. This material is resistant to shock, vibration, chemicals, and heat. It's built to last. The battery features a spill-proof design with a fine fiberglass mat. This, along with the valve regulation, allows for safe operation. It's designed with your safety in mind. What we like. This battery is designed to be maintenance-free, saving you time and effort. The rugged construction and valve regulation ensure reliable performance. If you want a hassle-free battery that you can depend on, this is a great option. What people say. The battery is a perfect fit and works great. The battery works great and lasts a long time. This battery is a perfect replacement for the original battery. Number 1. Neptune Razor 12V5Ah Battery, 2-pack. Tired of a dead battery? This Neptune Razor battery is the perfect replacement. It's designed to get you back in action quickly. This battery replaces many models, including 12V4Ah, 4.5Ah, and 5Ah batteries. It's also compatible with various devices, such as home alarm systems and kids' electric vehicles. This 12V5Ah battery is maintenance-free and value-regulated. It offers 20 hours of use and features F1 terminals. The battery measures 3.54 inches by 2.76 inches by 4.17 inches. It's designed to fit perfectly into your device. Enjoy peace of mind with a 30-day return policy and a 1-year warranty. Our support team is ready to assist you. This battery is suitable for various applications, including emergency lighting, medical devices, and security systems. It's a reliable power source for many needs. What we like. This battery is compatible with a wide range of devices, making it a versatile choice. It's designed to last and can be used in various applications. If you have multiple devices or need a reliable backup power source, it is perfect for you. What people say. So far so good, been a little over a month and these are working perfectly. Exact replacement for my old Sears garage door opener backup power. Fit what I needed them for. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.